Hey yo! Whew. I just had a big drink of Powerade. What I haven't done, people, guys and girls and guys, I haven't checked it. That's checked. So we're shooting up this wall in fullies. I'm asking the question, why do I spread each tile, people? Because it's that hot today. If I spread my glue up there, it would skin, it would go off before my tile goes to the glue. If you've ever seen samples of it in YouTube, that they're peeling tiles off the wall with a spatula, that is the reason. Blokes will spread the glue up to here and then start. By the time they've got it there, it's a smaller tile they're laying. It used to happen for years, and it still does. People spread the wall and then they start sticking on tiles. The glue's skinned before they reach the top. So all they're doing is just putting the tile there and air is holding it up. And then the grout holds it all together. And then you bash it with a hammer and the whole wall falls down. That is why, folks, I spread my tile. And less mess as well. Not a bad tile. The what is it? Satin finish. Not bad. I quite like it. I have done walls with the satin white, and I've wanted light grey. I don't recommend it. I reckon white is nice. Get a few wedges up here happening. Sure. With clips you don't even have to concentrate on what you're doing. Go, easy boy. DIYers, once you know your basics how to tile that I can teach you, you can do your own bathroom if you're feeling confident. You're just watching your lines. I tap that down a little just to bring it nice. Noise. Chuck it away. Right, more tiles. I'll be back in a sec. Into it again. Boy. These tiles are cheap. Ooh, they're thin. Check for straight. That'll do me. I don't check very often, but if you're a beginner, if you're a learner, yep, check. Doesn't hurt. I've just been doing it for a long time, that's all. But each row, just check it for flat. It's easy. The owner works from home. He's a computer guy, has a business. The wife is a stay-at-home mum. I think the young fella about 3. I think 3 years old. See how I feel? It's more accurate than seeing sometimes. When you feel it flush, you're laughing. back in the day before these came in, it was all done by hand. But your tiles were smaller and they were all round edge. But I remember tiling walls without clips and floors before clips and that came in, but porcelain came in with a square edge. That was a little bit tricky back then. Because the clip actually holds your tile until the glue dries. What I used to find years ago was that as the glue dries, it sucks and pulls, and I'd get the odd lip. Someone wants me, they can send a message. I don't have time to talk to people on the phone. Just check for flatness. Bang on, Bootsy. Another one, and then I'll have to bring in my steps. Better not stand on a bucket. Hey, Jeff. Stand on some steps, people, not a bucket, it's safer. But after 10:30, good. We're going well. On shell. Give it a slap. What? I need some steps. I'll go and get them. I'll see you soon, people. There, I'll just do my cuts and it'll be done if I bring my steps in. But I'll probably just go up there. Go up that wall and then I'll be home and hose. We'll see you soon.